Welcome to KidzyGarden. Do you know why Mars is called the red planet? So let's learn.
Have you ever wondered why Mars looks red in the sky? That's why Mars is called the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. But why does it look so red? The surface of Mars is covered with iron-rich dust and rocks. And when iron mixes with oxygen, it becomes rust. Just like rusty metal on Earth turns reddish-brown, the iron on Mars also became rusty over millions of years. That rusty dust covers almost the entire planet. So when sunlight shines on Mars, the planet glows with a beautiful red color. Mars is also famous for its giant dust storms. Strong winds blow the red dust high into the air and spread it all around the planet. That makes Mars look even redder from space. And guess what? Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. It is almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Scientists are still exploring Mars to learn more about this mysterious world. Maybe one day, humans will even live on Mars. So now you know why Mars is called the red planet. Would you like to visit Mars someday? Subscribe KidzyGarden.